Hi, I'm Seth. For my water filtration project, I constructed a filter out of gravel, coffee filters, and two 2-liter bottles, and some sand, and some tape and stuff, but that doesn't really matter. So how I did this is I cut two tops off of the liter bottles, and then for one of them, I put some coffee filters around the edge, and then I wrapped it in tape. And I poured a bunch of rocks in here to make a gravel filter. And on the second half, this was half of one of the bottles, and I put coffee filters and a rubber band. You can't see it, but then I poured a bunch of sand in to make it like a sand filter. And then the second top, I cut. So say this is it. I cut a bunch of lines up to the cap, 8 or something around it, so I could fan out. And then I fanned it out. I stuck it on here, wrapped in tape to seal it, and I used some press and seal to extra seal it and make it more watertight. And then this part was the bottom half of one of the 2-liter bottles, and I cut this shape so then you can put your hand in and out. But it's for this, which is just cut water bottle. So then once the water goes through, I put this on the bottom, water comes out in, then I pull it right back out and we can see it. So all I have to do is get the water, put this on top, make sure there's no creases and stuff, make sure it's straight and level, and then put this inside. We watered, and voila.
To experiment.
Okay, so here's water. We collected some leaves, just some dirt, some old grass. So the water is pretty dirty. And on the bottom, can't really see it, there's a bunch of little sticks and other stuff like that. So we're just gonna pour this in and make a time lapse. Whoa. That's not good. Kind of not working. So the gravel is collecting most of the. Oh, now the gross water. Let me get some more water. So what the gravel's doing is collecting a lot of the water and the dirt, and now the sand here, pretty more clean. It's kind of clear, but it's still darkish yellow. And here, a lot of it's collecting in the sand, and the sand is filtering out a bunch of the gross stuff, and it's just coming out yellow, but there's no debris. And if you could use it over here, and as you can see, it's pretty clean. And yeah, it's just gonna keep dripping till it's pretty much full. The sand was a little dirty, so the water was coming out yellow. I dumped it out and hiking, and it started coming clear, and it's really clean. Want some? Yeah, and I think it's a success.